Here's a question. If you had just 5 minutes a day to train, could you actually build superhuman strength? Spoiler, yes. And no, you don't need to flip cars or wrestle bears. Today, I'll show you a 5-minute daily routine that'll unlock real-life superhero strength. Fast, simple, and no cape required. Number 1, push-ups. Start with the classic. Push-ups. 30 seconds on, short rest. This isn't just about chest muscles. It's like teaching your body to push the world away. Pro tip, keep your core tight so you don't sag like a hammock. Number 2, squats. Next, squats. You can't be a superhero with weak legs. You'll trip carrying the groceries. Do 30 seconds, nice and steady. Imagine you're about to sit in an invisible chair, but cooler. Number 3, plank. Now, the plank. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. This move is like building your own superhero armor. It strengthens your core so every other move gets easier. Just don't forget to breathe, unless you're Aquaman. Number 4, Superman hold. Perfect name, right? Lay on your stomach. Lift your arms and legs off the ground. Hold for 30 seconds. It builds that powerful back strength, and honestly, you look like you're flying. Number 5, burpees. And to finish, burpees. Love them or hate them, they're the closest thing to a superhero training montage. Drop, push up, jump. Repeat for 30 seconds. They'll skyrocket your strength, endurance, and, let's be honest, your dramatic flair. Do this circuit once through equals 5 minutes. If you've got more time, repeat it 2 to 3 times. No equipment needed, just some floor space and your willingness to grunt like Thor swinging his hammer. Start slow. Consistency beats intensity. 5 minutes daily. One brutal workout you never repeat. So there you have it. 5 moves, 5 minutes. Real superhuman strength unlocked. You don't need hours in the gym or fancy gear. Just your body, some space, and a little commitment. Remember, superheroes aren't born. They're built, 1 rep at a time. If you're ready to feel unstoppable, hit like, subscribe to Major Muscles, and drop a comment. Which move made you feel the most heroic?